Hello, this is Jeff with Crystal Clean. Thank you for joining me for a few minutes. I wanted to make sure I give you a good market report and status of Southwest Florida. You know, Southwest Florida has evolved and continues to change over the last couple of years, especially as you bring in Hurricane Ian. Devastation to the area has made a very big difference. Since then, we've also seen a mass populous shift. People have moved down to Southwest Florida last year especially in significant numbers. So we've had a lot more new construction, new homes, new condos, new communities, and then the remodel, refurbishment, and rebuilding that's happening because of Ian has made a big difference in how Crystal Clean is able to service the area. You know, we've been here for 43 years. We've been doing common area cleaning throughout. We've added to that a lot of high-end office cleaning, and especially in the last 3 years, a lot of post-construction cleaning. You know, as new projects go up, whether they're commercial facilities or residential facilities, that post-construction clean is really an essential part of transitioning from the construction side to where the residents and tenants are able to move in. And we've become quite proficient at that. One of the key details we've added in that, and preceding even the post-construction clean, is having day labor come in to help clean up and tidy up right up to the point where we go in for the post-construction clean and then ultimately the turnover. So that's been one of the big changes we've seen. Also in Southwest Florida, since Ian and the remodel and refurbish, I know everyone's interested in this, you get out to the outlying areas, the ones that were most hard hit. Sanibel, Captiva, Fort Myers Beach. They're really starting to come back to life. And I know there's still a lot of work going on and a lot of work left to be done. There are areas that would still look even destitute, but we have a lot of communities that are starting to get residents come back in. And what we're seeing is we're getting called in on residential deep cleaning, or you call it post-remodel, post-construction, but in a residence, you know how important it is to the owner to have us come in and do a nice deep clean of their home, and that's one part of the work. In the condo area living side, we're coming in and we're able to do a full deep clean around the buildings again. And something of note that has changed from pre-Ian to post-Ian is the attention we're paying to the floor care of these condos. Most of them have exterior floors, and we have sort of a unique setting between wind and sand and bugs and mold. They've realized since remodel and getting fresh paint on the exterior floors, it's really important to keep those floors clean in order to feel like they have a clean community. So we've procured more floor scrubbers and staff that's well versed at coming in with scrubbers, power washers, hand scrubbing, doing what is required to make sure the properties maintain and look clean from now on. So, you know, Southwest Florida, again, continues to change and grow in a very good way, in a positive way. We want to be here to service the community at a very high level. And if there's anything we can do for you, please check us out at cleaningnaplesfl.com or give me a call, 239-936-7700. And feel free to call up, ask for Jeff. I would love to talk to you.